Now we are going to see range and order of lengths. Size of object or distance and length. Size of proton 10 per in meter we are going to see. So size of proton 10 per minus 15 meter. Size of atomic nucleus 10 per minus 14 meter. Size of hydrogen atom 10 per minus 10 meter. Length of typical virus 10 per minus 8 meter. Wavelength of light 10 per minus 7 meter. Size of red blood corpuscles RBC 10 per minus 5 meter. Thickness of a paper 10 per minus 4 meter. Height of Mount Everest above the sea level 10 power 4 meter. Radius of Earth 10 power 7 meter. Distance of Moon from the Earth 10 power 8 meter. Distance of Sun from the Earth 10 power 11 meter. Distance of Pluto from the Sun 10 power 13 meter. Size of our galaxy 10 power 21 meter. Distance of Andromeda galaxy 10 power 22 meter. Distance of boundary of observable universe 10 power 26 meter. Thank you.